Hello there, I'm going to talk to you briefly about our Restore Britain baseball caps, or rather our baseball caps that have the Restore Britain logo on. Now, you can buy all kinds of caps that look relatively similar to this, and you can buy some very cheap ones for like 8, 9, 10 quid, of which ours are not. Ours are a little bit more than that. And I'm going to show you the difference between good caps and bad caps, really, so you understand what you're buying. Now, if you take a closer look at ours here, you'll see that it's embroidered, that it's got raised stitching, and as well, it's very important that the logo is kind of the right size in relation to the cap. Some of them are ridiculously big, some of them are small, some of them are all skew whiffed, and a lot of the ones that you can buy are printed, and I'll show you the difference actually, because I've got an example of a printed cap here. This is a printed cap that Restore did when they were doing the Great Yarmouth campaign, right? I got one of those because I was involved in the Restore campaign. Now, if you have a look at those side by side, you see this is the printed one, this is the embroidered one. And if you buy a printed one, this print here, you know, it's going to come off. If you go to wash that, or once it's got a little bit worn, it'll be knackered, it'll be no good, it'll be in the bin. Restore made those for a very limited campaign. But you know, people are, if you want a proper one, you need one that's embroidered, you need one that's stitched, and you need one that's right. Now, we were a little bit late with these actually, because I planned to do these about 6 months ago. And because I'm a little bit pedantic, they sent me loads of, we tried loads of different designs. They showed me loads of different ones. Some I wasn't happy with, some were too big, some were too small, some weren't straight, I didn't like the letters, and I probably spent that much time trying to make them right that we were later to market with these than anyone else. And we also had a few others that were like prototypes as well, which I'll show you, which we've got a few of actually, not many. If you look at these ones, you'll see these are ones that we never actually put into production. But I do have some of them, so if you fancy one that says millions must go, they're an absolute limited edition. Send us an email off our website if you fancy one of those. But for your regular bog standard Restore Britain baseball cap, and I don't think I've got a head for caps, but that's what it looks like on, ours are pretty good, and they ship from the UK and they ship with Royal Mail, so there's no every nonsense or yodel nonsense. They're a little bit stiffer on the front than some, so they keep the structure nicely. 6-panel cap, adjustable, fits all size heads. So if you fancy one of those, if you're on YouTube, click the link down below, it'll take you through to our site where you can get one. And if you're already on our site, now you can see exactly what they look like close up. Because a lot of people are just showing you kind of AI images and stuff like that. And you can actually find these online, similar ones to these, at 40 odd quid, which is like 46 quid or something, which is a bit on the ridiculous side. I was planning on putting these forward as official Restore Britain merch, but unfortunately the branch manager where I live blocked that suggestion and wouldn't put me in touch with the right person at Restore Britain, so they just end up on our site. So would have been official merch otherwise probably, but not now. So these are ours. We are not connected to Restore Britain. These are not Restore Britain official caps, I've got to say that for legal purposes. They just carry the logo. So if you're a Restore Britain supporter and you fancy one of those, have a look at them on our site, and I think you'll be quite pleased with it. Thanks for watching, see you on our other videos.